Hello everyone. Just I want to say one more important point in programming or algorithm or computer science. This is the one of the famous interview question. It's a very famous interview question. Right? In computer science itself, this is the one of the very famous question. What is that one? Why array index is always starting from 0? Why not from 1? By default, array index always starts from 0. Why not from 1? What is the reason? What is the reason? Right? So some students are asking, sir, can I start array index 1? Yes, you can start. Some people are asking, sir, can I start array index from 5? You can start. Can I start array index from 1 lakh? You can start. Can I start array index from negative number? You can do anything, no objection at all. But by default, array index will start from 0 only. By default. Right? What is the reason? What is the reason for this? If the array index is starting from 0, no need to calculate offset value. If you start array index other than 0, you have to calculate offset value. What is the offset value? Let me explain here. See, this is the story. Why array index always starts from 0? Why not from 1? Why not from 1? Why not from other? Why not from other? Why array index is always starts from 0? Why not from other? What is the reason? I am giving the answer. I am giving the answer. See this one. I am giving the answer. Let us assume that it is array. Let us assume that it is array. Name is A. Name is A. Some elements are there. Right? So let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the array indexes. These are the array addresses. So assume that integer array, everyone is 2 bytes. 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008, 1010, 1012, 1014. There is one array which contain, right, I think 1 to 8. 8 elements are there. Array indexes are 1, 2, 3 and so on 8. Array addresses are integer array, everyone is 2 bytes. Assume 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006 and so on 1014. Right? Fine. Now let's see the some values also. Let me keep some values. Some values I have to keep. So let me select some other color. Yeah, values I am keeping. It's a 50, 80, 90, 60, 20, 30, 85, 44. Right? This is the array. These are the elements. Now some people are asking, sir, how to find out sixth element address? How to find out sixth element address? If you want to find out sixth element address, see this one, location of A of 8. Sixth element, right? You want to find out sixth element. So location of A of 8. Array, sixth element. Sorry for that. Location of A of 6. If you want to find out location of A of 6, right? So first what you have to do is base address 1000 plus. If you want, location means address. Sixth element address is 1010. How to get it? 1000 plus. Base address you write first. Next one. You want to find out sixth element. You want to find out sixth element address. So before sixth element, how many elements are there? Before sixth element, how many elements are there? 6 minus 1. Before sixth element, the number of elements whatever there, 6 minus 1. 6 minus this one you do. Right? So these many elements are there. If you want to go to sixth element, before sixth element, how many elements are there? I think 6 minus 1, 5. Right? Before sixth element, 5 elements are there. You have to cross all these 5 elements. Every element is 2 bytes. Sixth element you have to, right? If you want to go to sixth element, before sixth element, how many elements are there? You have to cross all of them. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 element I have to cross. Every element 2 byte because of integer. Which will goes to 1000 plus. Which will goes to 1000 plus 10. 1010. Like this. If you want to find out any element location, right? Base address plus which element you want to go. Right? That element position. Minus 1 because of starting is 1. Right? Into 2. Finally 1000. Right? 1010. If you do calculation 1010. Do calculation 1010. Let me write now. Into 2. If you do calculation 1010. Sorry for that, right? Fine, that's okay. Now let's go to next. Let's go to next. Suppose isn't that in the same array I want to find out location of a of 8, eighth element location I want to find out. Same way, what is the answer? 1000 plus before eighth element, how many elements are there? Before eighth element, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, and so on. 8. Before 8, 8 minus 1. Because starting is 1. Starting is 1 into 2, which will goes to 1000 plus, right? I think 7, right? 7 into 2 is 14. It will become 1014. So like that, you have to find out the location. Now see, if array index is starting from 0, listen, if array index is starting from 0, location of a of 8 is, location of a of 8 is 1000 plus before 8th element, how many elements are there? 8 minus, because of array index starting from 0, 8 minus 0 into 2, which will goes to 1016. If array index is starting from 0, 8 minus 0 is 8. If the array index is starting from 1, 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. So what I want to say directly, starting with 0, 8 minus 0 is anyhow 8 only. So no need to do any subtraction. If you start array index from 0, no need to do subtraction, because 8 minus 0 anyhow 8. So they don't do subtraction, right? Location of 8th element, 1000 plus, right? 8 into 2. Because of 8 into 2. If it is a 7, 7 into 2. If it is a 9, 9 into 2. But other than 0, if you start, you have to do subtraction. This subtraction operation is known as offset value. Now I am concluding now. If array index is starting from 0, no need to calculate offset value. If array index is starting from other than 0, you have to calculate offset value. Calculating offset value means some extra work. It will take some arithmetic operations, right? It will waste some CPU time. Best idea, start array index from 0 but not from others. If you want, you can start, but it is not efficient. Starting from 0 is the best idea. So in every interview this question can come, so please take care. Again I am repeating, why array index is starting from 0, why not from others? Reason is, if you start from 0, no need to calculate offset value. If you start other than 0, you have to calculate offset value. Not only C language, not only Java language, in every language, by default array index will start from 0. I hope this will be useful to you. Thank you so much.